Hi, I'm Eric for SimplyVAV. In this video, we're going to balance a SimplyVAV controller installed in a single duct box. The only tools required are the digital room sensor and an airflow hood. Once a controller is configured with box settings and flow limits, the balancing routine may be performed. To start, enter the set point menus by pressing and holding the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. In controllers without passwords, the display changes to the configuration screen after a few seconds. If a password is required, you would have to enter it before the configuration screen is shown. From the configuration screen, navigate to the Balance selection and press the Center button. The display advances to Primary. Press the Center button again to start the balancing routine. Once you start the balancing routine, all other functions of the controller are locked out. In the first step of the sequence, the controller drives the damper to control to the highest maximum airflow. The display flashes Pmax during this time. Actual airflow is shown in the small field at the bottom of the display. When the airflow reading stabilizes, measure the airflow with an airflow hood. To enter this value in the controller, first press the Center button. Pmax will stop flashing and the small numbers at the bottom will start flashing. Use the up or down buttons to enter the actual airflow measured with the flow hood. Press the Center button to save the value and advance to the Pmin display. Similar to the first step, the controller drives a damper to control to the lowest minimum. When the airflow stabilizes, measure the actual flow. To enter this value, press the Center button and enter the measured airflow using the up or down buttons. When the entry is correct, press the Center button. This saves the value and returns the controller to normal operation. After balancing is performed, the programming in the controller calculates airflow correction factors and uses these to calibrate the raw reading from the airflow sensor. For dual duct controllers, the same procedure is followed for the secondary duct. To view additional videos and explore product resources, please visit SimplyVAV.com.